যদি আমরা পিসিওএস পিসিওডি ট্রিটমেন্ট করি, লাইফস্টাইল ঠিক করি, যেটা আমরা আগেও পিসিওএস এর ওপর যখন আমরা প্রোগ্রাম করেছিলাম, তখন দ্য মেসেজ ওয়াজ দ্যাট আমরা যদি আমাদের লাইফস্টাইলকে ঠিক করতে পারি, ফুড হ্যাবিটকে ঠিক করতে পারি, পিসিওএস ক্যান বি কন্ট্রোল। তো আমরা যদি এগুলোকে ঠিক করতে পারি, can we control this hirsutism? আমার যদি পিসিওএস কন্ট্রোল হয়ে যায়, তাহলে কি আমার আনওয়ান্টেড হেয়ার গ্রোথ কন্ট্রোল হবে?
Definitely, যেটা আমরা ডিসকাস করলাম, it becomes a great cosmetic concern amongst a adolescent who is facing this problem, because it decreases the self-esteem of a adolescent girl. They become socially withdrawal. They don't want to go to school. They don't want to go to work because of their appearance, because of the bullying, as we are discussing. So definitely, but our target and our responsibility as a gynecologist, as a teacher, and as a psychologist is that we have to make the women aware of that you can have some problem, but there are treatments. So every parents and every girl should come forward for the treatment. It is should not be like that ki they should decrease their self esteem, and we should encourage them that you can have problem, and you should go to the doctors, and you should consult. There can Hirsutism is not a disease itself. It is not a disease. Actually, it's a manifestation of the underlying disease. Heterogeneous per se is not a disease actually. It can be PCOS, it can be other thing also, it can be drug induced, it can be other side effects of the medication the woman is taking. So hirsutism per se is not a disease, it's a manifestation of the underlying disease. And most commonly 70 to 80% of the adolescent girls having the underlying polycystic ovarian syndromes. So first and foremost, the woman or the adolescent girl who is facing this problem should come forward and should consult a gynecologist or whoever she finds comfortable for them. And regarding the treatment is that first and foremost we have to counsel the woman that it is not like that you are appearing ugly, or it should not be put in that way that you are looking ugly, you are having something very unnatural. You can have this, we can have the problem, but the solution is also there. And as far as the polycystic ovarian syndrome is concerned, that it's a part of a symptoms which polycystic ovarian women do have. Apart from irregular cycle, she can have unwanted facial hair. Not every polycystic woman doesn't have the hirsutism. Some may have, some don't have. So those who are having, there are medication which helps to reduce this hair growth, that has to be taken in a long term basis. The medication which are helpful is the oral contraceptive pills. It contains estrogen as well as the progesterone. So what these hormonal pills do, if we take in a long term, say for around 6 months, this decreases the sex hormone binding, increases the sex hormone binding globulins, and it is the free androgen which is responsible for this hair growth. So if we give these newer generation OCPs, it decreases the conversion of the new follicle to this coarse terminal hair. Those who are pre-existing cannot be treated, but the progression of this disease is curtailed down. you know so if we are prescribing the newer generation, there are pills are available which contains some progesterone which have a high and anti-androgenic activity. It decreases the male hormone level in the female bodies. So if we take in a long term, like for the 6 months and 6 to 9 months, we will definitely notice that there is a decreased progression of this conversion of the hair follicle. And apart from this oral contraceptive pills, there are some medicines which are supposed to anti-androgens, like spironolactone. I should not go into details. There are medication which works as anti-androgens. So these are the medicine which blocks the attachment of the male hormone to the hair follicle. In this way, this reduces the progression of the disease. And if we take these kind of medicines like anti-androgens for a long term basis for 6 months, 9 months, we will definitely notice that there is a reduction of the thickness of this hair follicle. There is a reduction of the pigmentation. So there are no more hair now going in terminal phase. and there is a reduction of these hair follicles. There is a less progression of this hirsutism or unwanted. The growth of the hair follicles are reduced, and those who are already pre-existing hairs, there are some mechanical therapies like, as we have discussed, waxing, shaving, bleaching, deepilators. So if these are regularly followed, like laser therapies, they have to take the sittings of the, then naturally we can reduce this CA, this hirsutism problem. And these are medication which are prescribed for a long term basis, 6 months course, 9 months course, and definitely with benefit with by these kind of the medicines. There are newer pills are available which are very helpful to reduce these kind of symptoms like unwanted facial hair, reduce the obesities, regularize the cycles. So these are beneficial also. And apart from OCP, as I said, there anti-androgens medicines are also available. If we take it in a long-term basis, this reduces the conversion of the newer follicle to these pigmented hair and reduces the hirsutism and improves the skin tone and like that.
দর্শক বন্ধুরা, এটা আমাদের কাছে আমরা আমরা বোধহয় এতদিন এটা জানতামই না যে ওষুধ আছে। আমরা ভাবতাম একটু হেয়ার গ্রোথ দেখা যাচ্ছে, সো লেটস গো টু দ্য বিউটি পার্লার, গিয়ে একটুখানি ভ্যাক্সিং করে নিই, একটু থ্রেডিং করে নিই। কিন্তু ডক্টর কুরেশি আমাদের স্পষ্ট জানালেন যে যখন আমরা এই প্রবলেমটা ফেস করছি, ইটস বেটার we go to our gynecologist। এবং এটা কিন্তু আমরা আমাদের এই ডক্টর ডেস্কে বারবার আপনাদের কাছে বলছি যে যে কোনো প্রবলেম সেটাকে নেগলেক্ট করবেন না, এটাও একটা প্রবলেম, কিন্তু এটাকে as ডক্টর বিদিতা said we have to face it। যারা adolescent, যারা ইয়াং জেনারেশন আমাদের এই প্রোগ্রামটাকে দেখছো, তারা এটাকে ফেস করো। যদি তোমাদের মনে হয় যে সাডেনলি আমি তো এতদিন খুব ভালো ছিলাম, আমার তো এতদিন এইসব আনওয়ান্টেড হেয়ার গ্রোথ ছিল না, তাহলে হঠাৎ করে কেন হলো, প্লিজ গো টু দ্য ডক্টর। ডক্টর তোমাকে মেডিকেশন দেবে 6 months, 9 months, and it can be brought under control। আর যাদের কাছে এটা জন্মগত, অনেকে থাকে যে তারা যখন হেয়ার গ্রোথ শুরু হলো তখন থেকেই তাদের শরীরে হয়তো হেয়ার গ্রোথটা অনেক বেশি, তাদের জন্য of course there are many innumerable beauty parlors and salon যেখানে তোমরা যেতে পারো, but psychologically depressed হওয়ার কিচ্ছু নেই।